Welcome to our channel WallCurtains. Today, we're diving into the world of wall-to-wall carpets. From features and benefits to types and installation, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Wall-to-wall carpets can transform your home, offering comfort, style, and functionality. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore everything you need to know about wall-to-wall carpets. 1. Features of wall-to-wall carpets. Let's start with the features. Wall-to-wall carpets come in a variety of textures, colors, and patterns. They can be made from materials like wool, nylon, polyester, and more. Each material offers unique benefits, such as durability, stain resistance, and softness. 2. Benefits of wall-to-wall carpets. Now, let's talk about the benefits. Wall-to-wall carpets provide excellent insulation, keeping your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. They also offer sound insulation, reducing noise and creating a peaceful environment. Plus, they add a layer of comfort underfoot, making any room feel cozy and inviting. 3. Types of wall-to-wall carpets. There are several types of wall-to-wall carpets to choose from. Loop pile carpets. Loop pile carpets are durable and great for high-traffic areas. Cut pile carpets. Cut pile carpets are soft and luxurious, ideal for bedrooms and living rooms. Freeze carpets. Freeze carpets, with their twisted fibers, offer a textured look that hides footprints and vacuum marks. 4. Installation process. Installing wall-to-wall carpet might seem daunting, but with the right approach, it's quite manageable. Here's a quick overview of the installation process. Preparation. Measure your room and remove any existing flooring. Underlay. Lay down a carpet underlay for added comfort and durability. Cutting and fitting. Cut the carpet to fit your room's dimensions, leaving a bit extra for trimming. Securing. Stretch and secure the carpet using tack strips and a carpet stretcher. Trimming and finishing. Trim the excess carpet and tuck the edges for a clean finish. 5. Maintenance tips. Maintaining your wall-to-wall carpet is essential for its longevity. Regular vacuuming, prompt spill cleanup, and annual professional cleaning will keep your carpet looking new for years. Wall-to-wall carpets offer a versatile and stylish flooring solution that enhances the comfort and beauty of your home. Whether you're renovating or building new, they are worth considering. For more tips and inspiration, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos.